In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini to make slides in an easy and efficient way. Whether you're preparing for a presentation for school, work, or simply want to share your ideas in a captivating manner, you're in the right place. So let's dive in. First, we want to open up our web browser and head right on over to Google. In your search bar, type in Google Gemini. This will help you find the tool we need to create our slides. Once you hit enter, you should see a list of search results. What you'll want to do next is click on the link that takes you to the Google Gemini website. This is where the magic happens. Upon landing on the Google Gemini web page, it's time to craft a prompt for your slide deck. Let's create something simple yet engaging. For our example today, we'll go with a 10-slide presentation for kids that introduces fascinating topics like space, planets, galaxies, nebulae, astronauts, rockets, and future exploration. The aim is to incorporate big, captivating images and concise, easy-to-understand bullet points. Next up in our journey, you'll find a section labeled Tools on the Google Gemini interface. Go ahead and click on that. This is an important step as it houses various features you'll need to enrich your slides. Within the tools, you should see a Canvas option. Click on Canvas. Think of it as your digital artboard, where your ideas will come to life in the form of slides. By doing so, you'll be granted access to a blank slate where you can start organizing your thoughts visually. Now it's time to submit the work you've set up. Once you've arranged the content as per your preference, the Submit button will be your next click. Bear in mind that after submission, it's normal for the system to take a little time to process everything, so be patient as Google Gemini works its magic behind the scenes to generate your presentation. Once the system completes this task, you'll have the option to export your creation into Google Slides. This makes it readily available for further edits and ultimately your impending presentation. All you need to do is click on the Export to Slides button, and voila! You've successfully crafted a dynamic presentation using Google Gemini. There you have it. A straightforward approach to making engaging slides using Google Gemini. I hope you found this guide helpful and it will boost your productivity when working on future presentations. Thanks for joining this tutorial and wishing you all the best with your creative projects.